Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, we got the battery info for the Galaxy Watch Active. Many of you all have been waiting and holding off before you went off and bought the smartwatch because you want to know how long this battery is going to last on this watch. With that being said, let's kick off this review. Alright guys, welcome back for another video. Listen up. Yes, we got the info for you, and I'm going to say that is not bad info either, alright? Samsung brings out great product. The Galaxy Watch Active, I'm going to say, is a great product to buy, and I recommend it in the door. But with that being said, you want to know about the battery life on the Galaxy Watch Active, right? Well, I've tested it in 3 different ways. One, with everything turned on, which is the way I roll. I love everything on. And also with everything turned off, and with everything turned off except for the always on display. Now, with everything turned on, I got home with, let's say, 75, maybe 73% battery life. Now, this watch lasted me with everything on a day and a half, and I do mean a solid day and a half. Now, for a guy like me, that's not a bad deal at all. I charge my smartwatch up every day. A day and a half is not bad. But if you have an issue with that, then you may want to consider the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold and the Midnight Edition. The battery life on that one is going to be 270 milliamp hour battery, and you're going to get up to, depending on how you tweak your settings, up to 3 to 4 days of battery life. Now, the test with everything turned off came out beautiful. That means everything is turned off. I don't have nothing running, nothing on, and I got home with like 2.5 days, a little over 2.5 days actually, of battery life. When I got home after about a 10, 11, 12 hour day, I had 80% battery life on my smartwatch, which I thought was awesome. But it's not for me because I gotta have my always on display on. So that's why I did the test with the always on display on and everything else turned off. Now, I got home with, let's say, 80%. So you're not gonna get 2.5 days. If anything, you're gonna get a little under 2 days of battery life with the always on display on and everything turned off. And the reason I did the testing with the always on display on and everything turned off is because there's a lot of people like myself. I love to see my time at a glance. I don't want to flick it and it comes on. I want it to already be ready for me as if I had a real watch, and that makes it a real timepiece for me. So do I recommend it? Yes. Most people charge their smartphones up every day, and to charge your smartwatch up is not a bad deal. Considering the price for the Galaxy Watch Active with this battery life, I think it's a good deal. So yes, I do recommend it, but I think the smartwatch is more so geared toward people who are going to be exercising, into fitness, and they don't want a bulky watch on their wrist like the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3, or the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold, because this has weight to it, so you feel it when you move and it may bump up against things. But other than that, yes, this is definitely a fitness smartwatch that you will lose on your wrist, which means that you won't even know it's there after a few minutes. So with that being said, people, what do you think? Now, if you don't like the results, I will leave a link in the description for the Galaxy Watch Rose Gold, the Galaxy Watch Midnight Edition, and also the Gear Sport. All right, you all, with that being said, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.